Hello everyone, my name is JOTHSNA. I am from IS branch first year. My startup company is Tech Trends and the product present name is Bag and product proposed name is Composed Keister. Mentioning some of the requirement and feelings from about the product has said by the customer during the empathized activity. First one is a GPS tracker and essay to easy to carry. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of the customer, may many new features are added to exiting product name is bag and fertilized product name is comfortable keister. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. A Bluetooth connector, charger connector, folding features, and a single zip with many zip inside. And this is the drawing I have made of this bag. The prototype states that real working model that has been manufactured due to the time constraint. The monitor observed in the drawing sketch. The sketch is given below. So I request the viewers to present. I've done the video. Thank you.